Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 29th of September 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty, Bank Nifty and USDINR, as it was the monthly expiry and USDINR, the latest pair has been started to trade from today. Yesterday the September expiry was there. Alright, so all the content and discussion we did in the video is only for the educational purpose, and all the content is purely based on my point of view. All right, now let's start with this USDINR first. Okay, so seeing in 3 minutes candle on the day today 29th, the USDINR October future opened at 81 rupees 0.9925 nano paisa, and the previous closing was at 82.2275. The low was at 81.74, while the high was created at 82.2050. Okay, so USDINR has hit all-time low and it is trading approximately 82 rupees right now. And how it is trading, and I'm going to show you that first today. Okay, so the market opens around here. In the first candle itself, in the 3 minutes, the high was made at 81 rupees 99.25, somewhere around here, and then from there in 3 minutes the bottom was created at 81.8713, which is approximately 10 paisa, and from here it has took a quick support, did not touch the support number 1. Okay, and from there it has broken this pivot level, which is also called as resistance number 1, crossed over resistance number 2, and again came back to the pivot, which is resistance number 2, to take a support, and from here it just went up and slightly consolidated from 10:30 to approximately 11, and from here went up. So it was a good rally from resistance number 1 to resistance number 3, and after that it has even touched the resistance number 4. It has continuously been going up, which is approximately 81.93 to 82.18, which is approximately 93 not 3 25 to 26 paisa. Even if we do the math, 26 paisa, so 0.26 into 10 loss, which is 10,000, which is approximately 2,600 rupees profit we could have seen easily in 3 minutes time frame, in with the proper stop loss and entry and exit in USDINR in 2 days. If we would have followed the proper setup, if we draw it, if we even try to draw the trend line, we can clearly see this is the breakout happening over here. Okay, and how the higher lows have been, higher highs has been created, higher highs has been created. Even if we compare one more trend line here and then second, and then goes over here. Okay, if we see, it touches the support, goes up, again touch the support, goes up, touch the support, goes up, take the supports, goes up, and this is how the pattern has been followed. And when the USDINR hit this resistance number 3, from there it came down, falling back to resistance number 1. It almost tried to touch, but let us see. We can expect that tomorrow USDINR might open somewhere around flat, a little up to the target of 82.1850. Okay, now let us come back to the September future, which was today's expiry at approximately September future Nifty 50. So the previous closing was at 16,858, while the open was at 16,981. The low was created at 16,786 and the high was created at 17,042. If we see on the chart in the 3 minutes candle, there was a lot of huge gap up movement today. The previous closing at the bottom was 16,834 and the lowest candle of today was created at 16,981. Okay, we expected the market to rally up until here, which was 17,100, first target being, and then second target being at 17,172, but it did not happen. What happened was this gap was already filled, so the profit booking came around here. All the short traders were trapped over here. Their stop loss got hit, and buyers tried to book their profit and cover and tried to go short building, and from here this gap was filled within 2-3 hours. At 12:30 this gap was filled. So if we draw the trend line, how it is movement is going up. Okay, so so this starts from here, creating higher low. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. So higher lows, lower highs, lower highs, again lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. It has been created, and then the market has went up down until 16,503. From there it quickly took a support and then broken down. Okay, so resistance number 1, okay, this become so from here this becomes support number 1, support number 2, support number 3, support number 4. The market has easily breached the support number 4 by approximately 1254. All right, so I hope you got my point on this part. Okay, so now coming to the bank Nifty September future, which is today's expiry. The previous closing in bank Nifty was at 17,809. The open was at 18,050, while the low was created at 37,524, and the high was created at 38,298. Okay, now coming to the bank Nifty, we can clearly see over here in the 3-minute candle, the bank Nifty had also a gap up movement today, and the lowest of the previous candle was around 37,675. The market opened approximately 38,050, which also can be seen over here. If we can see 38,050, and quickly it rallied to resistance number 1 to break the resistance number 2, but not longer, not way too long. It could not sustain over there, and it broke down. After breaking down, it tried to break again at the top, but it could not go. Even the Reliance and Infosys also started failing, and following the trend, HDFC Bank also failed today. It was trading while good in the daytime, but later by it started to fall. We can clearly see it was approximately 1394, but now it is at 1382. Okay, so from here the market started going down and then touched the support number 1, quickly took on a support and then went up, tried to break this again. If I draw the trend line for you, how it has been created, we can see. So starting from here, first high, second high, third high. Okay, so it has been gone over here and then quickly recovered and then dropped down, and then after this it has tried to achieve the goal to resist support number 4, but it failed and then just went up until here. Definitely there might be one more support over here. Yeah, we can see here. So it has broken support number 2, which was at 37,722, and quickly made a low of 37,522 in this candle. If we can see it on the future, yes, the low has been created at 37,524, and then quickly took the support to go up until 37,826, and then to close at 37,645. So what exactly happened is, today the market opened gap down but came down to only fill this gap. Okay, so for tomorrow, if we try to go on 30 minutes time frame, we can expect the markets to somewhere trade to this level, which is 37,000. I'm expecting it might touch 37,000 because there is an inflation tension is going on around the global, versus the RBI is also going to issue an interest rate hike and whatever the policy they are about to do tomorrow. So let us also hope for that. We can focus on auto stocks, banking sector and real estate sector. So that's how we can do it. Yeah. So that's all my point of view from Bank Nifty and USDINR. Well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here and listening to my podcast and the video and my commentary to this monthly expiry on Bank Nifty and USDINR. Thank you so much everyone. I heartfully thank again, and see you all in tomorrow's episode. Thank you. Peace out.